You've probably heard many people say that dogs are colorblind. But is that really the case? Many people believe that dogs can only see in black and white. But this is not entirely true. While dogs do not see colors the same way humans do, they are not completely colorblind. Dogs can see some colors, just not as many as humans can. To understand how dogs see colors, we first need to understand how the human eye works. The human eye has three types of color receptors, or cones, that are sensitive to different wavelengths of light: red, green, and blue. When light enters the eye, these cones work together to create the perception of color. Dogs, on the other hand, have only two types of cones, which means they can only see certain colors. The cones in a dog's eye are sensitive to blue and yellow wavelengths, but they cannot see red or green. This means that a dog's color vision is similar to that of a human who is red-green colorblind. So, while dogs are not completely colorblind, they do see the world differently than humans do. For example, a green lawn may appear yellow or brown to a dog, and a red toy may look like a shade of gray. However, a blue toy would appear blue to a dog, just like it does to a human. Despite their limited color vision, dogs have other visual abilities that are superior to humans. Dogs have a wider field of vision than humans, which means they can see more of their surroundings without having to turn their heads. They also have better night vision than humans, thanks to a higher number of light-sensitive cells in their eyes called rods. In fact, dogs may see better in low-light conditions than humans do. This is because dogs have a reflective layer behind their retina called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back through the retina and enhances their ability to see in dim light. Another interesting fact about a dog's vision is that they can detect movement much better than humans can. This is because they have more sensitive motion detectors in their eyes called motion-sensitive neurons. This allows them to detect even the slightest movements, which is why they are such great hunters. Despite these advantages, a dog's limited color vision can sometimes be a disadvantage. For example, they may have difficulty distinguishing between different shades of the same color, which could be problematic in certain situations. One way to take advantage of a dog's color vision is to use color contrast in training. For example, if you want to train your dog to retrieve a blue ball, it may be helpful to place the ball on a yellow or green surface. The contrast between the colors will make it easier for the dog to see the ball. In conclusion, while dogs are not completely colorblind, they do see the world differently than humans do. They are able to see some colors, but not as many as humans can. Despite their limited color vision, dogs have other visual abilities that are superior to humans, such as better night vision and the ability to detect movement more easily. Understanding a dog's visual abilities is important for dog owners and trainers, and can help us better understand our furry companions. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe to Brilliant Biology and turn on notifications. I'll see you next time. Take care.